Welcome back, students. In this video we are going to study about general characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metals. Under this we will study about properties of oxides, hydroxides, halides and sulfates of alkaline earth metals. Let's start. Oxides of alkaline earth metals. Oxides of alkaline earth metals are obtained either by heating the metal in oxygen directly or by thermal decomposition of their carbonates. So this is why if metal is directly heated in air, it will result in formation of oxide, or if its carbonate is heated, it will undergo thermal decomposition to form metal oxides. That means if I heat calcium carbonate, it would result in formation of calcium oxide and CO2, which is a well-known reaction. Now except beryllium oxide, all the oxides are extremely stable ionic solid due to their high lattice energy, but beryllium oxide is covalent in nature. Beryllium does not form ionic compounds because of its exceptionally small size, and these oxides have high melting point. They are very good conductors of heat and are chemically inert, and they act as electrical insulators. And obviously due to small size of beryllium ion, beryllium oxide is covalent but still has high melting point because of its polymeric nature. Now hydroxides of alkaline earth metals. Hydroxides of calcium, strontium, barium are obtained either by treating the metal with cold water or by reacting the corresponding oxide with water. The reaction of these oxides with water is also sometimes known as slaking. Just you must have known about slaked lime. So when magnesium, so there is two property. There are two reaction. Either react metal directly with water, they will result in formation of metallic or hydroxides, or just add water to the oxide, which will result in formation of hydroxide. Beryllium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxides, being insoluble, are obtained from soluble metal ion solutions by precipitation with hydroxide ions. And this is how it is done. Beryllium chlorides are reacting with sodium hydroxide to result in formation of beryllium hydroxide, and then they are precipitated there using hydroxide ion, and so is magnesium. Next is basic character. All the alkaline earth metal hydroxides are basic except beryllium hydroxide, which is amphoteric. We have discussed about this earlier also. Now the basic strength increases down the group. These hydroxides are less basic than corresponding alkali metals hydroxide because of higher ionization energies and smaller ionic size and greater lattice energies. Now solubility in water. Alkaline earth metal hydroxides are less soluble in water as compared to alkali metal hydroxides, and the solubility of alkaline earth metal hydroxides in water increases with increase in atomic number down the group. Now this is due to the fact that lattice energy decreases down the group due to increase in size of the alkaline earth metal, whereas hydration energy of cation remains almost unchanged, and that is why the solubility keep on increasing, because the compound would be soluble only if the amount of energy required to break the lattice, that is lattice energy, is fulfilled by the amount of energy required by hydration of ions, that means hydration energy. So hydration energy remains changed, but down the group lattice energy keeps on decreasing. That's why the solubility keep on increasing down the group in case of hydroxides. Now halides of alkaline earth metals combine directly with halogens at appropriate temperature, forming halides of MX2 type. These halides can also be prepared by action of halogen acids on metal oxide hydroxides or carbonates in this way. either metal is acted by acid, will result in formation of metallic halides, just like magnesium. If it is reacted with HCl, will get MgCl2 with H2, or if metal oxides or metal hydroxide or metal carbonates are acted by acid, this will form metal halides. Now, properties of halides of alkaline earth metals. All beryllium halides are essentially covalent because of very small size of beryllium, and that is why they are soluble in organic solvents. They are hydrophobic and fume in air due to hydrolysis. On hydrolysis, they produce acidic solution. Now, halides of all other alkaline earth metal than beryllium are ionic. The ionic character, however, increases down the group. Except beryllium chloride, all the other chlorides of group 2 metals form hydrates, but their tendency to form hydrates decreases down the group. Now, sulfates of alkaline earth metal. The sulfate of alkaline earth metals are prepared by action of sulfuric acids on metals, metal oxides or hydroxide or metal carbonates in this way. Sulfuric acid reacting with metal, it replaces hydrogen, resulting in formation of metal sulfate, and so the action of sulfuric acid on oxides, hydroxide and carbonates also result in formation of metal sulfates. And the sulfates of alkaline earth metals are all white solids. Now, solubility of sulfates. The solubility of sulfates in water decreases down the group from beryllium to barium. Thus, beryllium sulfate and magnesium sulfates are almost, this decreases down the group. That is why the first two members, beryllium sulfate and magnesium sulfates, are highly soluble. Calcium sulfate is springly soluble, but sulfate of strontium, barium and radium are virtually insoluble. What is the reason behind this? That the magnitude of lattice energy of sulfates of alkaline earth metals remains almost constant as we move down the group. This is because as the sulfate is so big that small increase in size of cation from beryllium to barium does not make any influence. That means as we move down the group, lattice energy of sulfates remains same, but hydration energy keeps on decreasing. That means the demand of energy is same, but the amount of energy released is decreasing progressively down the group, and that is why the solubility keep on decreasing in case of sulfates. Now, stability of sulfates. The sulfates of alkaline earth metal decompose on heating, giving rise to oxides and SO3, sulfur trioxide. The temperature of decomposition of these sulfates increases as the basicity of the hydroxide of corresponding metal increases down the group. Now, there is a question. The correct order of solubility of sulfates in water. We have just discussed that the solubility of sulfates of alkaline earth metal decreases down the group because lattice energy almost remains same, but the hydration energy keeps on decreasing due to increase in size. So the correct option would be beryllium followed by magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. This is the correct order for the solubility of sulfates. The property of all the alkaline earth metal that increases with their atomic number. Ionization energy decreases down the group. We have seen that solubility of sulfates also decreases down the group. Electronegativity also decreases down the group because of increase in size, but the solubility of hydroxide increases down the group because the lattice energy remains almost same, but the hydration energy changes. So that's why the solubility of hydroxides remains same, because as we move down the group, hydration energy changes almost very in small amount, but the lattice energy remains almost same, or it changes more progressively than hydration energy. That's why solubility of their hydroxide decreases down the group or increases down the group. So students, now we are aware of General properties of oxides, hydroxides, chlorides and sulfates of alkaline earth metals. In next video, we'll study about some important compounds of calcium. Keep watching. Thank you.